So today we are off with another cooking video, and yes, it is one of my favorite dishes which I'm going to do today. Favorite fish dishes, as it is made of fish. Makes sense. So today I'm going to make tuna fish pickle. It is very tasty and mouth-watering. I would definitely recommend to try. If you want to try it out, watch this video. So let's go to the video if you want to make it. So let's go. Let's go. This is 1 kg tuna fish. To make fish pickle, first of all clean the fish thoroughly and cut it into small bite-sized cubes. Pat the pieces with a paper towel to remove the moisture. Now marinate the fish with 1.5 tablespoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mix everything. Allow it to rest for half an hour. Now heat oil in a pan. Deep fry the fish pieces. Fry it in batches. Strain the oil used for frying and keep it aside. Now heat 1/4 cup of leftover oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, a few curry leaves, 3/4 cup thinly sliced garlic, 3/4 cup thinly sliced ginger, 5 green chilies, 1 tablespoon crushed ginger, 1 tablespoon crushed garlic. Fry it for 2-3 minutes. No need to make it brown. Now reduce the flame to the lowest heat and add 5 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon roasted fenugreek powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida and 1 teaspoon salt. Add fried fish to the gravy. Mix well with the spices. Add 1 cup vinegar. Mix it very well. Switch off the flame, remove from the heat and allow it to cool down completely. It is ready to use right away, but it tastes better after a week. Keep it in an airtight glass container. Pour the leftover oil used for frying the fish on the top. Make sure that oil floats on the top. There should be enough oil, otherwise pickle get damaged easily. Our delicious, tasty and mouth-watering tuna fish pickle is ready. So if you want to keep it for 2-3 months, keep it in a glass airtight container like this one. And I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. Yes, cooking video of mine. And thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more cooking videos and other fun videos like this. And bye.